Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a travel vlog to RD's Nature Retreat, one of the best resorts in Bangalore. This resort is located in the state of Karnataka off Bannerghatta main road. There are mainly 3-day outing packages available and the prices of these vary depending on the food preferences and the timings. Now let's have a look at the adventure activities available here. This is the parking area available for your vehicles. No doubt that this resort is resided in the nature's lap. Even the road to reach here is amidst the forest, and RD's Nature Retreat is completely an apt name for the resort. Wow, such a beautiful entrance. This is a perfect place for all the nature lovers out there. This is the reception area, and note that the booking of the packages can be done in both online and offline methods. Just look at how beautifully they have inculcated the nature theme at every part of the resort. Everyone will be provided with wristbands for the adventure packages. These bands need to be safely preserved till the end to move on to the next activity, as it will be marked after each activity on this band. After stepping out of the reception area, make sure to have the cool welcome drink. You will be provided with a sheet containing the map of the whole resort and the list of the adventure packages. Also make sure to follow the timings of the welcome drink, lunch, rain dance, high tea and the swimming pool. Also note that 10 coupons will be provided per person and each activity requires 2 coupons. So out of 10 activities available, you can choose any 5 of your own choice. And if you want to repeat any activity or choose an extra activity available there, you can make the payment at the reception and enjoy it again. RD's Nature Retreat is located in the most scenic spots and offers experiences that will definitely leave you spellbound. Explore and discover the beauty of nature and indulge yourself in different activities available here. With the help of the map provided, now it's your turn to choose the activities that you are most interested in and make sure to live in the moment by enjoying to the fullest. We started our adventure journey with the zip line, which is a one-way rope course. The ride is between the forest, and this experience is definitely a very memorable one. Moving ahead, the next on the list is the Burma Bridge. You have to walk on the rope across the river to reach the other side. This might seem like a cakewalk, but it will send chills down to your legs as you proceed further on this walk. But don't worry, you will be provided with the highest support and it's a must try here. This will totally be the favorite for all the adventurous people out there. You can return by using the Egypt ladder, which is another adventure activity, or you can just walk up this hill to reach back. Bull ride is everyone's favorite to watch as it gets more intense with time. For a single entry, you will be given with 3 chances to ride again if you fall. Must say that the food here was just spot on. Make sure to give a try to all the starters, main course, and don't forget the dessert section. You will be provided with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Make sure to eat well as you need a good amount of energy for the rest of the day. The next activity is the bottle shooting, which helps improve your focus and concentration. So per entry, you will have 6 chances to aim and shoot at the bottles. is archery, another activity which again requires a lot of concentration. You will be taught how to handle the arrow and the bow, and you have to finish before your chances get away. Moving on, we have cricket in the list. So the cricket machine will eject the balls and you will have 6 chances per entry. Depending on your choice, you can select between slow, medium and the fast speed. Now that all of the coupons in the band are completed, it's time to jump into the pool and enjoy. Make sure you follow the timings mentioned in the sheet given to you. You also have dressing rooms to change into your swimming costumes, and lockers are also available to store your valuables. The highlight of the day is the rain dance, so don't miss it at all. Bring out the inner child in you and enjoy as much as you can. This is the high tea area and there are a variety of snacks available here. There are even live counters for paddu and unlimited pani puri. But the important point is to follow the timings. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this virtual one-day trip, and make sure to pay a visit whenever possible. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more such amazing videos.